Hi, in this video, we will discuss how to set up a preferred default organization. Sometimes users are unable to access an active license in an organization because their default organization does not have a license. Setting the default organization to the one with a license helps the PIX4D software immediately recognize and grant access to the active license. To set up the preferred default organization, first log into the PIX4D Cloud homepage. In the top right corner, click the user icon. In the drop-down menu, click Account Settings. On the right, go to the Personal Preferences section. Click Edit. Under the default organization, select the organization that has active licenses. Click Save. Once this is done, log out of the PIX4D software you attempted to access the license in and log in again. We hope this tutorial video on setting up a preferred default organization was helpful. See you in the next one.